doing a quick little mukbang, and don't ask me what's happening now. Don't look at it, I'm fine. Not so sad, but we've got mukbang videos now, and I think this is my first mukbang video. So I've got a subway, so I might have to take my family up, but besides that, I've got myself a little bib, and I got tuna, sweet corn, got cucumbers and garlic and herbs. That's so nice. And that is some bread and forever. And so I'll see you in a minute. Guys, I've also got desserts later. I need to put you some more out. Okay. Look at that. And guys, it's also my birthday soon. I can take it off. As you can see, it's all bruising. But I hit on like a concrete thing, so. Guys, I don't really know what to talk about. It's my fifth mukbang, but we just went to Asda. It's really, we went to Asda to get a couple of like munch. Got quite good. To get a couple of munch, I got like these packet sweets. And guys, if you've not seen it, the Dubai chocolate bar, cannot find it anywhere. And I found a Reese's version, so it's got like Reese's peanut butter cup in the middle. But I'm going to do 10 seconds silence, and then I'll do 20 seconds of them. So let's go. Guys, that is so good. My heart. So you get like a soft pieces. Then you get this crunchy sweet corn. It's so crunchy. Now I've got this new lip gloss. But the hair. Now it's 20 seconds. Yeah, I'll meet you when I get my drink. I got my oranges. So next we're just going to have a minute of silence. We're not going to time a minute of silence. Okay, guys. Also, guys, so go follow me on TikTok. It is Liz13077. And there's a big chunk of. And guys, I have a new favourite movie. Oh. First favourite has to be Descendants of Wonder. Best movies ever. Then second one goes Descendants 2, third one is Jump 3, and then Rise of Red. I just need to check something. And also, guys, I smell wallpaper. Me and my sisters. Someone is beeping outside. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's quite disturbing. So I would appreciate. What the devil? Who is that? Cause they have like full blasting music on. Why? But nice. And I'm gonna rate this food. Why I'm getting closer to not like finishing it. So the bread bread's amazing. Toppings are incredible. It has cheese on, guys. Sweet corn, nice and crunchy. And it's an alright warmth. And comment down below, guys, if you're from America or you're from a different country, do you have Subway in your country? But I don't know. I really want to try Raising Cane's. Or Popeyes. Popeyes has just came in Manchester. My hand really hurts. I don't like that shot myself. I have Rise of Red song stuck in my head. It's so cute. So guys, I'll see you when I'm getting close to finishing this and then we can have our desserts. Okay guys, I'm getting a bit closer to finishing this now. And this was a 6-inch. I do not know how I'm going to be able to eat 2 desserts. Now you can see it's going to get saucy in a minute. That is so good. And the bread as well, it's really nice. Like gluten. It's not too crunchy, but it's not too soft. Also guys, comment when your birthday is, or comment what's your favourite restaurant. I think my mum's cheesy. I ordered garlic and a herb. Girl, that does not taste like garlic and herb. Not getting so much. I haven't been posting on my own. No, I didn't even know we had that pictures that day. Like this. I'm like closer to this side. I'm closer to this side because they told me to go on my tiptoes because I'm too small. One of the desserts, I'm gonna devour it. But the other, I'm gonna shrub. Right guys, I don't think I'm gonna eat the red. I'm gonna have that bit. I think I'm gonna have my dessert because that takes too much of the time. See with my dessert. Okay guys, now it's time for desserts. I've got this back on because I've been chilling, but I need my mum to fix it up. So I got a Krispy Kreme donut, so let's try. I'm going to do this full donut in silence. So let's go. I'll see you in 1 minute. These are the last thing I'm excited for, so let me turn this around because this is a big thing. So first is the strawberry puff. What the heck? I did it. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, this is gonna be like a Dubai chocolate bar. But if it is, go to bed. Okay guys, so we're gonna open this in 1 minute. I got this open, but let's 3, 2, 1. It's so nice. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a huge thumbs up.